say to some critics who say that the rise of support for an independent Catalonia is only adding to this political uncertainty and that it's stopping Spain from achieving economic success?
I would say that that's not true. Spain is doing better from the economic point of view. We have suffered 6-7 years of a very strong and deep crisis, but now we are clearly overcoming this difficult, even hard situation.
But if Catalonia were to separate from Spain, wouldn't you be taking that GDP and that growth away from the country?
Why?
What does a separate Catalonia from Spain, what does that look like if that does happen?
Well, if it happens, that will mean that the majority of the Catalan people want to have an independent country and to build our own state for the future. But this is not the real point nowadays, because we don't know if this social majority exists or not before we have to hold a specific referendum for that.
If Catalonia is an independent nation, help us understand what that would look like.
Well, in this sense, Catalonia would probably be comparable to Austria or to Denmark. So Catalonia could be at the same level. In fact, the Catalan economy is the most open one in Southern Europe.
¿Qué coño es esto de la UDEF?